years-long criminal investigation of the Hells Angels in northern Minnesota is over, and it appears the state has nothing to show for it.
Prosecutors they've just dropped all charges against 4 members of the group in a case investigative reporter Eric Rasmussen has been following since last year, actually.
Right, Lindsay, Kevin, those charges were serious. We're talking about assault, kidnapping, rape, but now they're all dismissed because prosecutors say the alleged victims won't testify. And this all comes after state investigators were accused of not playing by the rules. When agents raided the clubhouse of the Hells Angels Iron Range chapter in late 2023, the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension had already been investigating the group for months. An operation like this, there had to be a lot of taxpayer money invested, right?
Oh, yeah. I mean, they literally had a PowerPoint that said, we're going to get the Hells Angels.
That's one of the details 5 Investigates learned at a hearing in Virginia, Minnesota last year. I'm just wondering if you can speak to me for a moment.
No, thank you, sir.
BCA agents accused of eavesdropping on jail texts and calls, attorney-client conversations between defendants, including Paul Deblack and his lawyer, Shauna Kiefer.
It's scary, you know, the amount of resources the government has.
A judge later rejected claims that investigators actually broke the law, but the cases against 4 members of the Hells Angels, including their local president, still fell apart. Late last week, prosecutors dismissed all charges because the alleged victims are either unwilling or unable to testify. Were these victims encouraged, threatened not to testify?
No, these guys were innocent.
The public can be misled to believe that the Hells Angels pressured these people or scared them into not cooperating or testifying.
You know our viewers are going to ask that question.
Yep, and that's BS.
The St. Louis County Attorney's Office declined to comment. In a statement, the BCA saying, "We are disappointed in the dismissal of these charges, but will continue to work with the St. Louis County Attorney to seek justice for the victims in this case."